holiday fudge. You love fudge. And if you don't, you know someone who does. So, let's make some fudge. Have you ever gotten to the office and realized, oh no, I was supposed to bring a dessert today? Well, you're in luck. I'm Josh Wilder. They call me Beginner Josh. And I'm going to show you how to make holiday fudge. Let's begin. I celebrate Christmas, but you might celebrate something else, or just celebrate the solstice. I love a solstice, so let's get into it. All the ingredients you need are 18 ounces of chocolate chips, one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, some pecans or walnuts or whatever kind of embellishment you want, and I'm going to throw in some dried cranberries because 'tis the season. Oh, and a dash of salt. Personally, I'm a teetotaler, but if you're not, I respect your wishes to add some rum or brandy here, or some other seasonal liqueur. After all, you've been good this year. Melt the chips and the condensed milk together in whatever conveyance suits your fancy. Now let's put it in the microwave. Here we go. Beautiful. Now we're just gonna keep zapping this until it's melted. Start with a minute. Beautiful, looking beautiful. Okay, let's check it out. Starting to get a little melty. Oh yeah, that's starting to look melty. Pretty good. Looking fudgy. Should probably only need another 20 seconds or so. All right, let's check it out. I think we have ourselves a winner. Then we're just gonna turn this into a greased pan. I have this nice ceramic one today. And now we feast. Beautiful. That's a beautiful thing. And you are good to go. And you're good to go.